Liisi, Karolin ja Lauren, stuudio Tote. Ja pealkirja järgi tundub väga aktuaalne kõikide meie isolatsioonide ja sotsiaalsete kontaktide piiramise valguses, üksilduses teineteisega. Stuudio Tote.
I'm slowly killing myself. I'm trying so hard at the back of the shelf. It's just the same every day. I'm writing these songs that will never get played. I get told what's wrong and what's right. I don't have a romantic life, and everyone's dying, so I keep on trying to make them proud before they are gone. Can someone help me? Please, someone help me. I don't care anyone, anything, 'cause I'm so sick of being so lonely. Miss all my family. I don't care anyone, anything, 'cause I'm so sick of being so lonely. I'm spending more than I earn. Drink all the time to forget I'm not hurt. 'Cause I go to parties sometimes, and I'll kiss a boy and pretend for the night. 'Cause I don't know much about me. I'm still ashamed of who I used to be. So I try way too hard, but I still miss the mark to fit in, fit in. Oh, help me. Please, someone help me. I don't care anyone, anything, 'cause I'm so sick of being so lonely. I don't care anyone, anything, 'cause I'm so sick of being so lonely.
Aitäh teile, Liisi, Karolin ja Lauren. On näha, et teil on hea klopp omavahel.